Hey y'all, welcome back to Kimberly's Kitchen. Look, tonight is gonna be short and sweet. I'm gonna fix up a little something that I saw on the internet and y'all gonna let me know what you think about it, okay? No, you're not, because you won't be here eating it. Charlie's gonna let me know what he thinks about it. How about that? Okay, let's get started. I told you tonight's gonna be short and sweet, right? Well, it's also gonna be loaded in protein. So we're gonna use, like I said, in this kitchen, I like short, sweet, quick. You know the drill. Y'all know the drill. Nothing long. I like easy peasy up in this kitchen. So we're gonna use the canned chicken. It's actually good. Never thought I'd like it. You guys, if you've been following me, you see I use this a lot. But anyway, I'm gonna do 2 cans of that. I'm gonna do, it rolled away on me, 1 egg. We're gonna do some cheddar cheese, salt, pepper, and the recipe on the internet did not call for an onion, but we like onion up in this kitchen, so I'm gonna add a little bit of onion. All right, so this is gonna be kind of like my chicken patties, only it's gonna be different because we're not using crackers. So we're gonna use cheese instead of crackers. All right, follow along and let me know what you're thinking in comments. Get started with 2 cans of chicken, 1 and 2, and they are already drained, so be sure not to forget to drain that chicken. All right, you know my little handy dandy stress relieving machines? Well, that's what we got going on here for the onion, just like that. And the, oops, forgot one. All right, that's done. Let's add the onion to our chicken. The onion going in. Just like that. You keep on rolling, rolling. Wait a minute. Stop! Subscribe, thumbs up, leave us a comment. All right, let's crack that egg. Let's go in with a little salt and pepper. What do you think? Salt. Salt to your heart's content. No measurements here. Don't hold it against me because this is the way I do it and you already know. Pepper with your heart. All right, y'all. I like some pepper. We just throw in that cheese just like that. And I went with sharp cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you want. That's totally up to you because it's your house, it's your kitchen. At my house, it's Kimberly's kitchen, right? All right, let's do a little mixy mix here. See what we got going on. Yep, you know it. I'm using my hands because I'm at home. It's just me and Charlie. If I was cooking for y'all, I'd be wearing gloves, I promise. But yeah, that's looking really good. Now, like I said, I saw this on the internet, and it's almost the same. Well, I told you that earlier. It's almost the same recipe I usually do when I do chicken patties. Only this time, instead of crackers, we have replaced it with cheese. And it's supposed to be really good. Lots of protein. So if you're trying to eat higher proteins, lower carbs, and things like that, then this might be the ticket. So I hope it turns out good. We'll let Charlie be the decider, I guess. All right, so I have my temperature on medium-low, or low-medium, however you want to say that. And I'm gonna use a little bit of avocado oil. And just put it in my pan like that. Now I'm gonna let that get hot, and once it's hot, then I'm gonna start doing my patties. And yeah, they should turn out good. I got a good feeling about them, y'all. So if you're still with me right now, if you've tried this recipe, let me know in comments. Y'all know I love to hear from you. So go ahead and talk to me. Talk to me. Yeah. Okay, enough of that. But yeah, leave me a comment and tell me what's going on. I got a little steam coming off there. Kind of scared me just for a minute there. Okie dokie, let's get this stuff hot. Alrighty guys, my avocado oil is hot. So I'm just gonna, just like I do with my salmon patties, chicken patties, tuna patties, cabbage patties, you know. If you follow me, you know. So we're just gonna roll it in your fist into a ball and then mash it. And then we're just gonna put it in there and keep doing the same thing until we get the pan full. And yeah, I think these are gonna be good, y'all. I think they're gonna be good. Let's just do this. I've been trying to eat higher protein lately and shed some of these pounds. I'll tell you what, it's a lot easier to put them on than it is to take them off. But that's okay. I guess I'll be, no matter what, I like to eat. So, you know, I'm just trying to eat a little bit healthier, that's all. 'Cause I love me some food. Love. So I'm looking forward, y'all, to get back out to doing some restaurant reviews. I'm ready to go out and eat. We haven't done that in a while. And it's almost time for camping again. So, oh, I can't wait to do that again. We're probably going to start that around September-ish. So if you like to camp, let me know in the comments. And give me some recipes to cook at the campground as well. I do have another recipe coming up, y'all, that I think you'll like. So, you know what that means. If you don't want to miss the recipes, well, you know what to do. Alrighty, guys, I got them all in the pan and they are frying. So I'm going to let them keep frying until they get brown on that bottom side, and then we're going to do a little flippy flip, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, y'all, so I forgot one little detail. The ones on the internet, they say to put them in the air fryer. So guess what? When y'all do yours, put them in the air fryer, because mine are wanting to fall apart a little bit. Leave it to Kimberly. I guess I had a blonde moment. I don't know. But anywho, bloopers and all. If y'all want the real deal, bloopers and all, then follow Kimberly, because you know what? My kitchen's not perfect, and I guess I'm going to let y'all see my mess ups as well as my, what do you call it, successes. So anyway, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment. Come on, y'all. Follow us. All right, y'all. This is our little secret. So don't tell Charlie I did this. Okay, so they're done, and I did my little taste test. And look how pretty. They actually look like salmon patties, but they're not. They're chicken cheddar patty thingies. I don't know. Anywho, like I said, I saw these on the internet, and it did say, which I went blonde for a little bit, to air fry these. So it'll be a lot quicker to air fry them, which it didn't take no time to put them on there and fry them up anyway. But anywho, with what I would do different, let me just tell you, after fixing them this way, what I would do differently, I would definitely put them in the air fryer. I would probably add one more egg because mine wanted to fall apart. And if you do fry them on the stovetop, put a little less oil than I did, because it doesn't need as much oil because of the cheese. So anyway, when you take them off out of the air fryer, off the stove, whatever you do, go ahead and put them on a paper towel so you can get that excess out of there. But other than that, they taste really good. Just don't tell Charlie that I took the first taste, because that's supposed to be his job. Like I said, we were eating simple, quick tonight. So all I did was the chicken and cheese patty thingies and some greens. So this is Charlie's plate. Doesn't that look good? Steaming. All right, let's see if we can get him over here.
Ow! Ow! You got my toe! You hurt my foot! What we got?
You got my toe.
Yeah, but, I mean, food.
Oh.
What we got?
It's food.
What kind of food?
The kind you eat.
Well, I mean, what is it?
It is, take a bite and see if you can tell me. It's hot.
Duh.
What do you think? And again, we do this every cotton picking week. Every time I cook, we do this. You never show our friends your food, ever. You never share it with them.
You want me to show it while I'm chewing it, or?
Before you ever put it in your mouth. Wow. Y'all get on him and comment.
Yeah, and every
Don't y'all
time
wanna
I'm
see-
like right here, and she's like, how is it?
Don't y'all want to see what he's got?
Well, I mean, it smells good.
And it looks good.
Mm.
Ooh. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It is good?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's good. I really don't know what it is. It's got some chicken, and some cheese, and some onions.
Can you taste all of the flavors? Like it is. It's chicken. It's like the thing that was on the internet. It's chicken, cheese. I added onion because we like onion. And I don't know what to call it. So it's just a chicken cheese patty, I guess. It's high in protein, low in carbs. It's supposed to be healthy.
Mm.
So, generally a lot of times healthy doesn't taste good, but you think that tastes pretty good?
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Awesome. I'm going to get me a bite. I think I'll take a bite of the greens because, well, y'all, I love me some greens.
Those are good.
Your greens are really good.
Did they not come out of the same pot?
Well, technically, yes, but, So the greens are really good. And all I did with them is, again, they're canned. I need to get some for real greens and cook them, honestly. I do. When it's quick and simple and easy, hey, it's easier to open up a can, season them, salt, pepper, bacon grease, a little bit of butter.
Oh, I saw some big old bundles of them the other day at Food Giant.
Well, give me some, and I'll cook them. I'm going to eat this chicken patty, too.
That's good.
Y'all. That is so good. I did it again. No, you're supposed to say I did it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you say you did it. I say I did it.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3.
You did
I did it again. All right, y'all. We're going to get off here and finish eating. If you haven't seen my video that I took earlier at waking Charlie up for work, go ahead and look at that. We've been having all kind of fun over here, y'all. So
paybacks are coming, let me tell you. Especially after today.
That's why y'all don't want to miss anything. That's why y'all want to hit that thumbs up and like, and you want to subscribe and comment. Because guys, y'all, we're having all kinds of fun. We're eating, we're fixing to camping, we're waking Charlie up for work.
Let me tell you, she sends me a text, right? I'm on my way home from work, so I read the text. I'm calling the troops.
That was yesterday.
Yeah, but what'd you put today?
I said, truce for yesterday.
Yeah, but what'd you put today?
Nothing.
It's not a good day.
That's all I said is it's not a good day because I hadn't got up yet. And I didn't go to bed till 6 o'clock this morning.
Paybacks are coming.
Whatever. Anywho, we're going to eat. We're not going to keep you any longer, but let us know in comments what you're thinking about our videos. If you got some recipes, hey, I am up for some new recipes. I got one I'm fixing to do that I saw on the internet, another one. I think it's going to be really good. So go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of them.
And we just got a couple new ones up. We got one, the brisket been smoked on the pit balls, and your smoked bologna on the pit balls.
Yeah, man.
So you can look for them on our channel as well.
Yep. And until the next video, y'all. You got anything else to say?
No.
I have to pause because I never know what he's going to do.
Come go eat with us.
No matter what you're going through, ever, always remember, Keep your head up, your smiles on. Now,
Are you good? You got the last word?
it's your turn.
Oh, come go eat with us.
Go on along. I can't remember if I said this already or not. So one last thing. If you make these at home, let me know how you do them. Let me know if you do them on the stovetop like I did or if you put them in the air fryer. And if you do it, let me know and let me know how good they are. All right? That's all. Oh, yeah. And just let me know by putting it in the comments below, okay?